Ayush, how are you?
Fine.
Fine. So today, okay. So today we are going to discuss about which continent?
Africa.
Africa. Okay, fine. So could you tell me how many countries do we have in Africa?
54.
54 countries. Okay. Could you tell me which is the largest country in Africa?
Largest country in Africa. Tasty.
Should I give you a hint?
Yeah.
It starts with A.
Uh, AL.
Yes.
Algeria.
Algeria. Very good. That's the correct one. Okay. Now, could you tell me the biggest city in Africa?
Mauritius.
Mauritius. Yes, Mauritius is the correct answer. And now, could you tell me the biggest river in Africa?
And Nile.
Nile River, yeah, that's the correct answer. Okay, fine. Should I ask you the next question?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Could you tell me? I think you love waterfalls, right? Could you confirm the waterfall name, please?
Victoria Falls.
Victoria Fall. Yes, that's the correct answer. Okay, so this time the summer was really hot, isn't it? Yes. So could you tell me the hottest desert name in Africa?
What? Tell me.
Hottest desert?
Hottest desert. You
Okay, tell me.
tell me.
Okay. Okay, I'll give you a hint.
Yes.
It starts with S. Okay. It starts with S.
Start with S.
Yes.
Sahara.
Very good, very good. Okay. Now, okay, so the last question, okay? It is related to water. Okay? I think I have asked you earlier. Could you confirm the biggest river again, please?
Nile River.
Nile River. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you. And